Good afternoon children, welcome to your maths class. Today children we are going to do a very important topic and the name of the topic is what? It is measurement. Okay, so we are going to do the topic of measurement. I am sure that everybody has seen a scale. You must all have seen a scale, the measuring scale, the ruler that you have at your houses. So this is a scale, this is the normal scale that you have at your house. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you what are the things that are there on your ruler. Okay, so I think that everybody knows that the above part that you see is your centimeter part. So this part is your centimeter part, this is your centimeter part, and the bottom part is your inches. Okay, so above part, again I am repeating, the small marks that you can see over here is your centimeter. See, in your scale centimeter, cm must be written over there. Okay, so this part is your centimeter part, and this bottom part, when you flip your scale, you see the long lines over here. So there are not short lines over here, they are placed with a lot of distance. Okay, but in centimeters small lines are there, but in inches the space is much more. Okay, so the bottom part in your scale is your the lower part is your inches. These are your inches, and the part that is on the top is your centimeter. Okay, so centimeter, again I am repeating, the part that is above is your centimeter part, and the part that is below is your inches part. Okay, so you must be very clear with that. I am again repeating this thing. The part that is above, where cm is written over here, so this above part is your centimeter part, and when you will flip the scale you will get the inches part. Okay, so inches part, the scale, you can see I am giving you a zoomer look of that. The lines are a little away, but in centimeter when you will see, the lines are very close. In centimeter the lines are very close, but in inches the lines are very far away. So lines are away in your inches, but in centimeters small lines are placed very closely. Okay, but inches the lines are away. So now I am telling you how are we going to denote inches. Inches are denoted with this particular mark that you see over here. The commas that you are putting, the double inverted commas, these are the mark of the inches. So like that you are going to denote inches. I have written certain examples also over here. Like 7 inches, you will write 7 and put the mark double commas at the top. Not proper commas, you don't have to put it like a proper, comma. No, not like this. You will just put a mark like this. Just bend your pencil and put a mark like this. So if I have to denote 3 inches, so I will write 3 over here and this mark. So this will be the correct way of writing 3 inches. Then if I have to write 4 inches, you will write 4 and then this particular mark. So this is your inch mark. Okay, this is your inch mark, and now I am going to tell you how are we going to measure inches with the help of your ruler. Okay, so first of all we will not place this ruler like this, because if we will place it like that, then we are going to measure centimeter, but over here we are measuring inches today. Okay, so you are going to take your maths notebook. Your maths notebook is like this only. So I have used a maths notebook only. Now if the question is given over here that you have to measure 3 inches, so how are we going to do that, children? Will you be placing your scale like that? No, this is the wrong way. You are going to flip your scale like this and put your scale on the mark over here. So we are, again I am telling you, we always begin with this longer line that you see, the first mark that you see on the scale. From here we are beginning with the measurement of inch. This longer line that you see over here, ये लंबी वाली line से हम लोग inch का measurement लेंगे. So we are going to start the inches from here. So you will place your scale properly on the notebook like this. You should not place it like this. This is not the correct way, nor like this. Place it straight like this. So this is the correct way of placing your scale on your notebook. On above the line you have to draw the inches. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you how much is 1 inch. So now children, as you can see in your scale over here, so 1 inch will be from this longer mark till the next longer mark you are going to see. See, this is the longer mark over here, but it is a little hazy over here, but when you will take your scale, then this longer mark till this longer mark is your 1 inch. Next 1 inch, this is the 1 inch. फिर 2 inches कितना होगा? I will take from here till the next longer mark. So this whole area that is covered is your 2 inches. Then similarly children, the next inch will be from this longer mark to the next longer mark. This much will be your 3 inches from here to here. So from here to here is your 1 inch. Then from here to the next longer line will be the 2 inches. Then from this longer line to the next longer line will be your 3 inches. So now I am going to place my camera like that so that you are able to see how I draw it. Okay, so now you are going to place your scale like this. Okay, on the line. See, first of all, if I have to draw 1 inches, so I will place it over here and start from here. Okay, from this longer line. So as I have told you, 1 inch will be from this longer line to the next longer line. So यहाँ तक जब मैंने यहाँ mark करा है, this is your 1 inch. Okay, so देखो ये this longer line that you can see over here is your 1 inch. From one long line to the next long line will be your 1 inch. Similarly, हमने अभी 1 inch बनाया है, पर हमें कितना बनाना है? We have to make 3 inches. So from this mark we are going to take another 1 inch. Okay, so from here to the next 1 inch. So ये यहाँ तक मैंने 2 inches बनाया है. Okay, so from here till here. So this is the longer line जहाँ से हमने start करा था scale में. ये लंबी line से we are going to start. See, I have placed it over here and this is your 2 inches. So अब हमें पर बनाना है 3 inches. So what we are going to do, from this longer line to from here we are going to go to the next 1 inch. Okay, so I am going to from here. So I have made my line of 3 inches. So as it is little difficult for me to show you children, but I am trying my level best. So we are going to place our scale here and to here. So as I have told you, 1 inch कितना होता है? From this one longer line to the next longer line is your 1 inch. From this longer line to the next longer line is your 2nd inch. So children, I have told you that from this longer line you are going to start till the next longer line. From this longer line to the next longer line. फिर ये longer line से next longer line तक हमने 3 inches बनाया. So after drawing your 3 inches, what you have to do? You will have to do it like this. यहाँ पे 2 circles बनाने हैं and you will also label it. Okay, so you are going to write it like 3 inches. So this is how you are going to denote your 3 inches. Okay, so now I am going to show you how to draw 2 inches also. Okay, 2 inches how we are going to draw. So again we are going to place our scale at the 0 mark over here. Okay, so how much is your first inch? So we are going to start from here till here. This is your first inch. फिर थोड़ा और आगे बढ़ाएंगे to the next longer line. This will be your 2 inch. फिर यहाँ एक dot and यहाँ एक dot लगाएंगे and you will label it 2 inches. Okay, so this is how you are going to draw your inches. So please make sure that you will put a small dots over here after making your line and write down 2 inches at the bottom. Okay, that's all for today children. Thank you class.